So hello there guys. I'm driving a Swift since past 5,000 kilometers and this is my review of the Swift till now. So it's a 4th generation model, 1.2 naturally aspirated 4 cylinder और ये मैंने चला लिया तकरीबन as you can see 5,600 kilometers till now, and it's an automatic, so you can see it's in 4th. So यार क्या बात है ना कि अगर आपको सिटी के लिए कोई कार चाहिए तो it doesn't get better than this actually, because you see there's a lot of traffic and आप भगाओगे भी क्या हम पे, and also it meets all the safety norms of the Indian government, although it doesn't fulfill the safety norms of global NCAP. But yeah man, आप सिटी में भगाओगे तो भी कहाँ पे, you just drive at 40-50. So yeah, as the only car for the city, it's the best car you can get. The 4 cylinder is very smooth और आपको एवरेज भी ठीक ठाक मिलता है यार सिटी में. आई एम गेटिंग अराउंड लेट्स चेक 15.6 का एवरेज दे रही है गाड़ी. एंड इट्स बीन अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस मैन, नो इश्यूज एट ऑल. सर्विस इज़ वेरी चीप, ऑल्दो 2 सर्विस हो चुकी हैं. आई हैव पेड 0 अमाउंट. And well, one thing यार, जो ऑटोमोटिव जर्नलिस्ट है वो बार बार बोलते रहते हैं कि the car is not good, it has very bad gearbox, the AMT gearbox which it is. But I don't think it is true, because it is the smoothest gearbox for the city at least. Okay, so like you drive it like a manual. So what you do is, see, now a speed breaker is coming, so it automatically downshifts. So it took 2nd and now 3rd, 4th. So it's tuned for efficiency and well, बहुत मज़ा आता है यार. It's very effortless and it gives a very good fuel efficiency. So I'm traveling around 50 kilometers per day and I'm getting close to 15.6 or maybe 15 kilometers to the liter. I've calculated क्या बोलता है, tank to tank, which is also good. एंड टैंक टू टैंक माइलेज जो है वो इसके अराउंड ही रहता है, मतलब इट्स अराउंड 0.2 to 0.3 kmpl डिफरेंस, नॉट मोर देन दैट. बट या मैन, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड कार. आई थिंक जो आजकल के 3 cylinders आ रहे हैं, देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ थ्रमिंग इन दोज एंड देयर इज़ नो पंच लो डाउन. सो this car makes a lot of sense that way, because there is punch when you need it, and 4 cylinder होने की वजह से यार it's a good city car. It's very smooth. और क्या बोल सकते, the head nod is there, but yeah, you have to drive it like a manual. So आप अगर रेस छोड़ोगे तो it automatically changes the gear for you. So whenever you have to downshift or upshift, you just release the gas pedal and it shifts. Okay. Apart from that, the visibility is great, as you can see. There's like nothing bad. The car is pretty small. You can chuck it in anywhere you want. and like you don't even feel the engine, man. You just can't feel the engine over here. The controls are pretty basic. It doesn't have a cruise control, and yeah, the power is pretty good. See, and now I'm in 5th. Let's now in 4th. Let's downshift. See, it's pretty quick. 80. Yeah, as I told you, it's not a slouch, man. The automotive journalists, the problem is that they drive a lot of cars, so they compare it with the best only. They don't see the use case of the car. That is the main concern and the problem. Wherein, as you can see, now let's take this turn at 70. Pretty sorted suspension, man. Pretty sorted suspension. So Swift is like inspired from the Mini, as you know, and Minis are like meant to handle well. So Swift also has a stiffer suspension. So yeah, it makes a lot of fun. So the drives are pretty stiff, but they are comfortable, like not crazy stiff like the Virtus or the Slavia. It is very well balanced, man. I'm just loving it. I don't know why people mock the Swift as a bad car or not safe. But yeah, man, अगर आप 30, 40, 50, 60 चला रहे हो तो यार कहाँ आपको सेफ्टी की ज़रूरत है सिटी में, है ना? It's that problem only. Apart from that, there's nothing to talk about much, man. The servicing is pretty sorted. Maruti people take feedback very seriously. Let me tell you this: if you post something on Team BHP or something like that, it's a huge issue they create. And apart from that, I don't think I have anything to say for it. But yeah, you can go ahead and buy even the new generation Swift. I don't think there's an issue of AMT or fuel efficiency. Like yeah, if it is your primary city car, then it's the best choice, man. Like apart even if you compare it with Tigor or Tiago, every 3-cylinder car, it's better. And Maruti has some magic in the fuel efficiency, man. The fuel efficiency is great. So that's it for this video. Let me know if I should post reviews as well, the drive reviews and everything else, so that I can tell you what I feel about the cars and bikes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This video has been shot from the iPhone, so you can see the stability and all that faff if you want. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.